Hey, Jeff Kelderman here, Kelderman Trucks. Today we're going to go over the 2019 and newer front and rear suspension on these new Chevrolet and International 4500, 5500, and 6500 series trucks. This is a highly engineered kit. So there's a lot of things going on here. You don't have a lot of room underneath the front of these, so working in a lot of tight spaces. So we got doubler plates on the front for reinforcement. We got our drop tube coming down for our 4-link bars. We've got our sway bar in here. We've got our track bar that uses some extremely large Hymens, or Johnny joints as some people call them, for the extra stability we need. We're using a large capacity airbag, similar bag to what we're using on the back of the 450 Fords. We also have incorporated a steering stabilizer setup in this, and we also are using custom valve shocks from Raptor Shock Company. They're the ones that do all of our lift kits also. So the ride improvement on this is amazing. They're very stiff from the factory. Once we put this front end on, the feedback we've been getting from them has been just awesome. One thing that GM and International have done that's unique to this truck is they're offering an onboard engine-driven air compressor. So if you're thinking about ordering one of these trucks, you could order it with the onboard compressor. Comes with the tank, comes with the dryer. It's going to give you a lot of air supply, more than what you would need with the air suspension. So you're going to see a lot of contractors and guys that may want to use, tools driven off the air compressor. Going to definitely go that route when they order their trucks. So on the rear of this, we have a large framework that goes on the side here. As you can see, there's about 20 bolts that hold this thing to the side, so it also acts like a frame stiffener. We've got our tubes coming down to hold the trailing arms. We're running a dual bag setup, which gives us the high capacity kit we need. So even if you have a 4500, you're still getting the same carrying capacity of what a 6500 is rated for. So then we have our big track bar going across the top with our panhard bar brackets. We've got our own sway bar that comes with this kit, and just like the front, we have our own shocks that are specifically tuned to this kit. Now most of these trucks don't come with shocks, so needless to say, you need to have shocks. So that's why we focused a lot of time on getting the correct shock lengths for this truck. If your truck has shocks on it already, we're gonna have to take them off because they're gonna be a little bit too long to run with this kit.